special feeling at Oldsmobile. There is a special feeling at Oldsmobile. More than the luxury ride, it's a feeling of pride that you feel inside.
What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to do an onboard diagnosis of your 1990 through 92 Oldsmobile Toronado Trofeo. In order to do this, you must have a VIC, or Visual Information Center, which is this system right here. It's a touchscreen that allows you to access all the features that the dealerships would allow you to access back in the day. So, what you need to do is you need to start the vehicle. And let the screen come on. Now, the reason why I'm going to be doing this diagnosis is because my car currently has a problem with it. Whenever I put it into drive here, the idle goes really far down, and then it goes up. Right now, the engine's a little bit warmer now, so the idle has smoothed out. But on cold starts, the idle goes all funky, and so forth. And you see it rises up there, goes almost to about 900 RPM. The car should idle around about 700 and stay around there. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to the screen here. This is just the status screen. If you're not on this, hit this button here for status. And it'll bring you to this where you have the radio on top and the climate control on the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to press the warm key and the off button for the climate control, and hold that down for a couple seconds. It's a little tricky, but they don't want you to accidentally activate this mode. So there we go, right there. Code Z, code E041 popped up as the current code. It did it really fast, but it'll cycle through here real quick, and it should bring us back. And it also shows all the history. This car has had quite a few problems in its past. Unfortunately, you can't look up the exact date of them. But yeah, let's see here. There's a lot of codes that these things have. So then it brings you up to this menu. Let's see, we're just gonna cycle through these. These are different computers. It has particularly ECM. And I'm all doing this through this service mode here. So I'm pressing, when I press yes, see if I can get them both. If I press yes, and it changes the screen there. So I'm going to try to get it to where it has, we'll see here, you can see even the engine RPM. Not bad. Actually brings it down to like the single revelation, which is actually really awesome, because usually they just go by hundreds. But in order to bring that code back, I'm going to hit the return button here, bring us back. It brings you actually back to the climate control unit. Let's try that one more time. Hold it down, it should be like 5 seconds, like that. It's going to do this to your cluster. And there we go, code E041 current. E041 is the cam sensor faulting, which I did not know that the cam sensor would do this, but I looked it up. It says it can cause one for rough idle. It bogs down, the car doesn't feel like it has a lot of power. I'm getting bad gas mileage, which is also another point of it. Like, it's saying I only have 157 mile range, and I have been, I got a full tank of gas in this thing. So, yeah, so I guess the next step would be to change the cam sensor and see if it works, and go ahead and reset it in the computer here, which I will also show, but that will be in the next video. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today. Just to give one more time, it is the warm button, which is a just a touchscreen button, and the off button for the climate control, and you press that at the same time. There you go. Sometimes you have to do it a couple times in case you do not hit them at the same time. you'll see this. Don't worry, a bunch of engine codes and everything will pop up, but those will all go away, and then it'll show your current code. So you don't even need a like a Determinator or a Tech 1, whatever you want to call it, and it will diagnose your car for you. So yeah, there you go. So that's the little tips and tricks for the 1990 Oldsmobile Toronado Trofeo.